Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will going to discuss GK questions on Indian polity. So let's start. First question. The Indian Constitution has borrowed the ideas of preamble from which country? Answer. Constitution of USA. The inspiration of liberty, equality and fraternity was derived from? Answer. French Revolution. Indian Constitution recognizes minorities on the basis of? Answer. Religion. Appointments for all India services are made by? Answer. President. What is the term of a governor? Answer. 5 years. How many fundamental rights are mentioned in Indian Constitution? Answer. 6. And the following fundamental rights are: right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies. The term of office of the Vice President of India is? Answer. 5 years. What is the minimum age for becoming a governor of state? Answer. 35 years. If the president rule is imposed in a state, it means that the state is ruled by? Answer. Governor of the state. Who is the executive head of state in India? Answer. President. Under which article President of India can proclaim financial emergency? Answer. Article 360. In Indian Constitution, the method of election of President has been taken from which country? Answer. Ireland. By which article untouchability is abolished and its practice is punishable? Answer. Article 17. In the 42nd Constitutional Amendment 1976, which word was added to the preamble? Answer. Secular. Which type of democracy do we follow in India? Answer. Representative. Who is the chairman of Niti Aayog? Answer. Prime Minister. Which amendment is also known as the Mini Constitution of India? Answer. 42nd Amendment. Right to privacy comes under which article? Answer. Article 21. Who is the chairman of the National Disaster Management Authority? Answer: Prime Minister of India. Respect for the national flag and national anthem is? Answer: fundamental duty of every citizen. Who was the first President of India? Please comment this answer in the comment box and subscribe my channel to watch the latest videos.